Welcome everybody, Brian here from T-sportline. I'm in Atlanta and I've got our Cybertruck again. But you're gonna notice it's no longer wrapped in Inozetek Vampire Red. We've changed it. This is Inozetek's Frozen Matte Sand. Brand new color, brand new finish from Inozetek. They sent us the first roll to try it out on our Cybertruck and I love it. There's military vibes here. This thing looks super cool. The contrast with the black wheels, the black trim, the light bar. We love the look of this thing so far. And you're gonna notice a couple of other upgrades. We've got our 24-inch CT7 fully forged wheels on the truck, looks awesome. We've got our brand new alloy steel side step bolted on down here. We've got our carbon fiber mud flaps on this. We've got the bumper protection plates on the back and on this tailgate. And of course, our light bar. This thing really rocks, man. Check it out. I love this truck. All right, everybody, if you like this video, click the thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and keep watching because we've got a lot more Cybertruck upgrades and accessories coming your way soon.